Desktop publishing applications like Scribus are designed specifically for print-ready precision, precision being the key word. When creating document layouts, you may find yourself needing to zoom in and out quite frequently, and the developers of Scribus have provided us with many ways to do this. In this video, we're going to cover the many ways to zoom in Scribus, so let's get started.
Welcome to class.
For this video, we'll be working with a document that has been put together to illustrate our ability to zoom using Scribus, using the standard menu. If you're partial to using the standard menu, you can select View and then Zoom. An additional menu with predefined zoom levels should appear. And you can select options to adjust the document zoom to the document's height, width, or based on specific zoom percentages. Using the shortcut ribbon. If you have been following along with this video tutorial or been using Scribus for a while, you may find it a bit easier to use the zoom tool in the shortcut ribbon. Now let's select the zoom tool in the shortcut ribbon. Notice how the mouse icon changes to a magnifying glass and a plus symbol. The plus symbol indicates that when you left click on the document, you will be zooming in. While the zoom tool is selected, if you would like to zoom out, you have two options. One, you can hold the shift key down on your keyboard and left click your computer mouse. Notice that while holding the shift key down, the mouse icon will change slightly. The plus symbol will change to a minus symbol, indicating that you will be zooming out. If you would rather, instead of holding down the shift key, you can use your computer mouse and right-click. This means that with the zoom tool selected, you can zoom in with a left click and zoom out with a right click, using the footer zoom level and stepping tools. Another method for zooming can be found in the footer menu. You can adjust the zoom level by entering a percentage directly into the input box in the footer. Additionally, you can use the zoom in and zoom out buttons to zoom incrementally, holding Control or Command and using a mouse scroll wheel. Finally, if you're not too motivated to use the standard menu, shortcut ribbon, or footer zoom options, and your computer mouse has a scroll wheel, there's yet another option. By holding the Control or Command key down on your keyboard and scrolling your computer mouse wheel, you can zoom in and out. Pretty nifty, right? In this video, we covered many ways to zoom in Scribus, from using the standard menu or shortcut ribbon to using the footer zoom options. So, what zooming option do you prefer? If this video helped you, or you would like to have us cover a specific topic using Scribus, be sure to let us know in the comments section. See you in the next one.